Today we'll be talking about dice, cool dice. Let's start with D&D dice. The normal platonic solids, excluding percentile dice. We have 4-sided dice, 6-sided, 8-sided, percentile dice, an extra one, 12-sided, and 2 20-sided. Starting off in the cool dice, we have this dice which is in Roman numerals, going from 1 to 3. We have a different 4-sided dice, which can go 1 to 4. This is just a truncated tetrahedron, just like the tetrahedron in normal platonic solids. We have a 5-sided dice, where you can go 1 to 5. And yes, it can land here, but it's really hard, like that. Cool. I have another 6-sided dice, and it's normal. I have this weird 7-sided dice, which surprisingly, I figured out that where is it? Here there's 4 blank spaces here, which correspond to the 7, 6, 4, and 3. And here there's 3 faces here, which correspond to the 1, 2, and 5. Why do my hands keep shaking, bro? We have a 8-sided dice, which is actually just like the 4-sided dice. It's the same thing as the octahedron, but it's truncated. As again, I'm not explaining what truncated means. We have percentile dice again. I wish I had 100 one. That would be pretty cool. Let me just organize this. We have a 12-sided dice, which, yeah, I just have 12-sided dice. I have a 16-sided dice in the shape of an irregular pentagon or a hexagon. Sometimes just that. I have a 20-sided dice, just like that. Oh yeah, also I forgot to mention the 12-sided dice. It's not a dodecahedron. It's actually a separate thing, which is also pretty cool. Why do I have that? I have a 24-sided dice. Good for spinning. Trust me. Yo, that's pretty sick. Also, it's spinning like really fast, but to the camera have a 30-sided dice, which, yeah, it's just also good for spinning. Yo, spinning's pretty cool in on the camera, but it's spinning like really fast. I can't even see the numbers, but I can. It says like 10 and 15. 10. Anyways, 30. Okay, the last two are pretty big. So this is a 60-sided dice. It's kind of like the 30-sided dice, but times 2. This is really cool, especially for because the 60 seconds in a minute. This can be really useful for that. I don't know in what specific case, but yeah. Also good for spinning, but I'm not gonna spin it. But what I realized about this dice is actually just a stellated dodecahedron, meaning that all the faces bulge out. You should search up what that means if you don't know. And not only it's a stellated dodecahedron, it's also a stellated icosahedron. The dodecahedron, these little pointy bits right here and here and here, those are the stellated parts of the dodecahedron, and here in between the stellated parts of the dodecahedron are the stellated parts of the icosahedron. Tongue twister, am I right? And now we have the 100-sided dice. Yeah, I don't really, I don't want to like bounce this because I feel like whenever I bounce it, I feel like it's gonna break, so I just roll it instead. And yes, it rolls on for a long time. It can like never land on a number because it's so finicky. Bro, I can't even properly put this on one number. I think this area is slanted. So that's about it. Is there anything that I'm missing? No, not really. This isn't a real shape, it's just a lot of numbers. And I really want a 30-sided dice or any sided dice with every single letter in the alphabet, including duplicate letters, so there would be more E's than Z's. There would probably be like 1 Z and 3 E's or maybe 4. Yeah. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Search up what stellated means. That's all the dice I have, excluding the 200 tiny 6-sided dice. Although I only use like 3. How convenient. This goes in order. Anyways, bye.